Bruh. Yo, the CRZ looking good as F. Day bright as F. And welcome back to the channel. What's up, everybody? We are going to be doing the CRZ stuff. So last video, you guys saw that I was installing the arches, test fitting the lip. So today we are going to be actually fixing this grill. So if you guys have been around for a while, the front end of the CRZ actually got sideswiped right there where that car's parked, because this neighbor actually reversed into the car for some reason. We took care of that stuff, but I used the money on bills and didn't fix the front end. So this was the damage. Got this cracked, that cracked, that cracked, that cracked. All these huge holes are from mounting the stuff. And we got this ugly scratch right here. So today we're going to be removing the bumper and actually replacing that grill. I was lucky enough to get me another Jay's grill, because how many Jay's grills have you guys seen in person? I've only seen 2. So that's one of them, and the other one's on Raw's CRZ. And somehow I came up on a second one. And I have no clue where. Oh, it's up there. There it is. So I'm gonna go pull this one off, pull the bumper off. We're gonna go put that on, and that'll be today's video. I don't really have many clips or anything holding in the front bumper of the CRZ. What the hell? I just noticed that my fog's cracked. What? On the plus side, that is a super cheap fog. I guess I have another video for you guys, which will be the do-it-yourself swap out your fogs with some cheap replacements. And let's go pop off this bumper and swap out this grill. I gotta add beauty washes on this thing. Got lucky. Cool. Hopefully I can actually fix the alignment of this bumper, because it kind of sags. Kind of embarrassed of the engine bit. It's been so long. Doesn't feel like it. Cool. Cool. Pop these up the side. That entire thing is loose. All right. Wow. All right, that was super easy. This is what it looks like off the car. And now let's go pull this Jay's grill off. That's really beat up. I'm gonna go move the bumper onto this table. Looks like I got a few zip ties holding it in, so I'm just gonna go cut all those off. Daniel, if you're somehow watching this, I'm sorry that I broke your grill, bro. You guys don't know who Daniel is in the CRZ community. Super OG. Was the first person to K-swap his CRZ in the world, so thanks for selling me your Jay's front end and grill, bro. You treated me well. One more. That's it. Should be slipping back. There we have it. Yeah, that sucks. That's why there was so much pressure right there. Looks like that guy took a lot more pressure than I thought, and that got pretty beat up too. So here goes the new one. All you do, super easy installation. Slips right in here. Luckily I didn't pick up any damage. Not slipping in. That would explain a lot. Oh, it's giving me so much trouble. So I actually got 2 grill setups, but you're gonna have to wait for that second grill setup for the future, because that sounds pretty awesome. Some of you might know, most of you shouldn't. But what do you think is gonna be my extra grill setup? It's not OEM. There. There we go. What's stopping me? And then I guess we'll just zip tie it like it used to be. All right, now I just gotta screw this back up, and we're done with the Jay's front grill install. For the few days I got, really trying to get this thing prepped and ready. Haven't been this motivated to work on the car for a very long time. Ooh, that looks so good. It's so nice to see it. There used to be the meanest gap right here, and now that's gone. Looks so good. It's gonna look amazing once we put the J's grill on.